Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Data Valley DHWiki. In this session, we are going to create table, how to create table, how to read data from table, how to create database, how to switch on database, right? So these are all basic commands that we are going to cover in this session. And if you do not watch my previous lecture, please check it out. In link is given in the description. And please watch this lecture till the end. And let's start. First, I'm going to list the databases which are already present in my SQL. Show show databases. This is the command to list the databases. We have these all databases. Okay, we have DB, we have DB0070, MySQL, and SK00. Let's switch on particular database in which we are going to create one table. So DB, let's switch on DB0070. We have one keyword which is use. With the help of this keyword, we are able to switch on this database. Select it and execute. Okay, our query is executed successfully. That's why it display green symbol. Then how to create table? First of all, we need to check tables which are already present in DB0070. So how to list tables? We have again one command which is show tables. Okay, we have two table, employee and T1. Let's check whether the data is whether the records are present in employee and T1. So how to check? We have one command which is select star from EMP. EMP is my table name, right? I have to check the data. I have to check the records which are present in employee. So I have this command. I have write this command select star from employee. Listen one thing. I give here star because I have to display all the. I want to see all the columns from this employee table, right? That's why I give here employee. That's why I give here star, right? Let's execute it. Okay, I'm able to see the all columns: employee ID, employee first name, employee last name, city, employee salary, and state. If I want to check the records from T1, right? If you list the table, we have again one table which is T1. Let's check the data is present or not in the T1 table. Select star from T1. Okay, we have only two columns: ID, three columns: ID, first name, and last name. Two records are present, 1 and 2. If I want to see only this ID column and do not I want to do not I do not want to display this first name and last name, so in that case we can give here particular column name. I want to see just I want to see this only ID, that's why I give here ID. Yes, if you see here it display only one column and it skip two column, first name and last name. Let's create one table. So in today's lecture I'm going to teach you that how to create table. It is very easy. Okay, so write query to create table. Create table, give table name emp2. We have one table which is already present in which have already named emp, right? So I'm going to give here emp2. I want three columns. It is up to you how much column that you want. I'm going to create here just two columns. So ID, which have integer data type, and mm, company name. Company name. It have data type varchar. Give here limit, right? And complete the query. Okay, so this is the query to create the table. We use here two keywords, create a table and give your table name. Then write the columns that you want. Column name which is ID, and it has data type integer. Then company name which have data type varchar. Right. Let's run this table. Okay, if you see here in output console, it displays a query successfully executed, right? And how to check whether the employee table is created or not into this database? Simple, just show tables. Run the query show table, right? It will show us how many tables are there. So we have employee 2, which is we created right now, and T1. Let's check whether the data is present or not into EMP2. How to check? Select star from table name employee 2. It do not have any records, right? So sorry guys. So let's check whether the data is present into EMP2 or not. Okay, it do not contain any record because we do not inserted it, right? So this is the way how to create the table into the database. Let me insert one record into the column into the table. How to insert record? We have command which is insert into emp2 table name, right? And we have two columns, so right here the column names and company name and values give one id. You can give here any id, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6, what you want. And company name, I'm going to give here xyz company name, and complete. Let's execute this and let's check whether the data is inserted or not. Yes, we have inserted this one record successfully into the table emp2, which is present in database 0070, right? So I hope it is clear to you. And if you have any doubt, please make a comment. Okay, so see you in the next session. Thank you for watching.